What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box door on this 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. Underneath, I'm going to take this screw out right here. And over here, there's a couple more screws and a bracket that's going to come off as well. Take that off. Grab this. I'm going to slide this part of the glove box out. There's a pin on this side. Just use a trim tool to try to remove the pin. Push it that way and slide it out. Set the pin aside. And then on the other side, there's a pin as well. Push the pin out from the inside and then pop it off, just like that. Now we'll take the glove box door, slide this up over this bar in the back, right there. And then we're gonna install these push pins first. Probably easier to put this one on first. So you're gonna slide that rod out. So you wanna get the hole lined up first. And then slide the pin through. And there we go. And we'll do the same on the outside. And just slide it in. Perfect. I'm going to take and we'll actually close the glove box. That'll make it easier. We have these brackets. These are going to go on right here. I'm just going to get these started. Once they're all started, then I can snug them down. Double check, make sure the glove box works. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.